What habits do you have? Welcome to day 6 of my 30-day challenge. And the habits I'm talking about, it's not just fingernail biting, drinking, smoking, gambling, procrastination, shouting at the children, or even sleeping late. If we actually look, habits take up 40% of our lives. Let's take a look at our brain to see how patterns are formed. At the beginning of a pattern is a trigger, the start point, or a cue, where a routine automatically plays out, and this is a fixed pattern. And while the first time we actually got to choose that particular routine with reinforcement, it becomes unconscious. For me, my routine is obvious, chewing my fingernails. What is yours? Is it drinking that morning cup of coffee? Is it as soon as you go home, you switch on the TV and automatically just allow your mind to wander? Let's look now at the cue. What starts this pattern? So for me, as my thumb runs across my fingernails, and as long as I find something that's out of place, a loose skin, a hangnail, immediately my nails, it's not just one that I have to chew, but all 10 nails are done. No wonder they never stood a chance. So what's your cue? Is it that company of friends and then you automatically go gaming with? Or is it the sight of that beer and then you automatically need to have it? Whatever it is for us to just get present, because the beautiful thing is we can change this routine. So for example, now that I know my cue is as soon as I touch my fingernails, I have this uncontrollable urge for this automatic pattern to play out. I could go for a short walk. I could talk to someone. As long as I change this routine is what allows us to break our habit. Tech friends, I look forward to you subscribing, and given this is day 6, I will not be doing a video every day, but I will keep you posted on my fingernails because I do intend to change this routine into one that gives me beautiful, lush nails.